Welcome to the heart of Sichuan's Gansu-Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, where nature paints a masterpiece that takes your breath away. Buckle up, because we are about to soar over Taozi village and beyond. Our journey begins on the road from Jiayi-La-Cuo to the Rike grassland. Look at those clouds, dancing like they are glued to the mountains. The valley below is a ribbon of green, with a winding road slicing through like a silver thread. Tiny houses dot the landscape, looking like they're straight out of a fairy tale. Wow, check this out! The drone swings over a hillside where trees and grasslands play a game of green on green. It's like nature decided to show off every shade in her palette. Now we are right above the valley, and there's a little stream stealing the show, sparkling as it whips through this pristine land. Our drone dances with the landscape, giving us glimpses of mountains, trees, roads, and those cozy houses nestled below. As we follow the road back to where we started, the valley comes into sharper focus. Spot those yaks grazing in the distance? They're just chilling, living their best life. And up ahead, the Rike grassland is calling, wide and wild, waiting to be explored. This is Sichuan's secret paradise, a place where mountains, valleys, and skies tell a story of untouched beauty. Thanks for flying with us. Hit that like button if you loved the view. Subscribe for more adventures, and let us know in the comments where we should soar next.